All right, the drink we're about to make is called Everglades Special. We're going to serve it up in a martini glass. Go ahead and put some water and ice in your glass and let it sit while you're making your drink. That'll get it nice and chilled for you. All right, fill up a glass with ice and measure out 1 ounce of light rum. Follow that up with 1 ounce of creme de coco. And next we'll add 1 ounce of light cream. And finally 2 teaspoons of coffee liqueur. All right, go ahead and take your shaker. Give it a good shake. All right, dump out your ice water. And strain it in. That is the Everglades Special. Just make sure you watch out for the gators. Bottoms up.